Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my craft table. So glad you're here with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. As a mom and a teacher, I try not to follow a lot of social media trends, but I did find one very intriguing. So there's one going around right now. You can just Google it and it's quite interesting, but it's called 9 Things for 9th Grade. My daughter's going into 9th grade and she's very nervous, a little bit excited, but mostly nervous. And I'm trying to, get her pumped up and excited and, high school's amazing and all the things. Well, we've been doing back to school shopping and mostly clothes. So I went ahead and got all of the regular everyday items that I would normally buy her. And I'm going to put them together in a special 9 Things for 9th Grade bundle. I thought I would show you that because you could do this type of gift giving for just about anybody in any occasion. So go ahead and get your favorite beverage and your most comfortable seat, and I'll meet you down at the craft table and we'll get started. Okay, friends, so let me start out by saying, isn't this the cutest bag on the planet? I got this about 2 months ago at Target in the toy section, kind of like where all the kitchen stuff would be. But anyway, I saw it and I thought, oh, what a great gift basket. I could use that for my daughter at some point. And I didn't really know kind of what I was going to do. I've kind of already taken all the things apart. Full disclosure, this is the second time that I have attempted to make this video because my sound failed earlier. But now it's okay, and I really wanted to do the live version with you instead of a voiceover. So here we are. But anyway, it's a little toy basket, as you can see, and it comes with a nylon shopping bag and then a little cell phone toy. So I'm probably going to be donating all of that since we don't need that. But here is the basket. It's really cute and it's perfect because teen girls, they love Target. But who are we kidding? I love Target too. All right, so then let me show you the 9 things for 9th grade that I have for her. Now remember, these are all normal things that I would buy her for back to school. I'm just wanting to make it more special instead of just handing her a Target bag. So item number 1 is the Milani mascara that she loves so much. And yeah, I've tried this. I actually kind of like it myself, but we got her some mascara. She'll need that pretty much every day. And then I got her, it sounds funny, but I got her a Tide pen because she's at school all day and she's got sports. So she doesn't always get home at a good time. And then she might forget that she's got something on her clothes. And this will be to help her kind of take care of a stain before the end of the day and it sets in. So kind of practical there. I got her a little pack of safety pins. Now, quite frankly, I don't think she needs 75 safety pins. So I'm probably, after I give this to her, I'm probably going to just say, why don't we keep half at home and you can take a few to school. But sometimes you need a safety pin at school, right? Then I got her these Mighty Patch. So these are those pimple patches that all of the teenagers love to wear. And they even come in different shapes and colors and whatnot. Anyway, she told me she needed some more of these. So I thought I'd go ahead and put this in the basket. And there we go. I went ahead and got her some dry shampoo. Now she's in sports and is on the go all day. So I thought that would be handy for her to have in her bag. So now we're up to 5 gifts, right? 5 little quote gifts, right? Okay. And then I also, going with the kind of all day sports thing, I'm at school all day, I got her this little brush. Now I already took it out of the packaging because like I said, I recorded this earlier, but it's so cute. This is I guess it's the Wet brand, and then they're doing a collaboration with LoveShackFancy. I'm personally not 100% sure what that is, but look how cute this brush is. And I know she needs a mini brush for her locker or her, her gym bag, whatever. So wanted to get her just something that was cute and nice. It's a little more than I wanted to pay for a little mini brush, but I think in the end it's worth it. So previously when I had gotten, so I got her this Bioma set. This is like a starter set. She likes Bioma, and well, she likes things that are way more expensive than this, but this is a good thing for her to keep in her gym bag because it's a little cleanser, and then there's a brightening serum and a moisturizing cream. So it does have like a little, pamphlet there. This can come out, and then she could use this in her gym bag to hold things that, she needs to hold in something instead of just throwing it in there. But earlier in the first version of this video, I had just taken my Cricut, made some flowers, and then I just put them randomly all over the top and the bottom. And I'm not really great at random, but I did put a pink one right here where the O is in Bioma. So she's got a little starter set that she can keep at school. She doesn't have to take her super expensive stuff to school. And then she can reuse the little box for whatever she needs to hold. Okay, and then this is something else I worked on earlier as well in the first version, is I monogrammed this. This is a power bank for cell phones. So you do have to use like your own cord to plug it in and charge it, in a strong outlet like you would anything else. But then this right here is what you use to charge your phone. And I love that it conveniently slides into this little space here, and then you can wear it on your wrist. So in sports, she's always gone, and they do a lot of away games, and I want to make sure that her cell phone doesn't die. So I got her a power bank, and I just put the directions back here with some washi tape so that she has them handy. And then finally, I got her something she has been bugging me about for months, is an Awala. This is a 32-ounce leak-proof insulated built-in straw water bottle. And it does have a free sip spout as well. So you lift this to unlock, you push the button, and then you can just go ahead and sip freely, and it keeps your beverages cold, cold, cold. She's been wanting these for so long, and I've been telling her no because we have, Stanleys and stuff, but I decided to go ahead and get her one. Of course, she loves pink. And then I couldn't resist. I went ahead and put these tiny little flowers, and I'm really hoping that she doesn't mind because normally she doesn't like me to put anything on her stuff with vinyl. She used to, but nowadays she doesn't. But this is really, subtle, and it kind of blends in. And then if someone else has the same color Awala, then she'll know it's hers. So that was my thinking behind that, and I'm hoping she doesn't mind. So I think that is what we have. We have 9 things for 9th grade. Now, of course, I couldn't really stop at the 9. I did this in my most recent live. It's one of those motel keychains. I put some vinyl down in the middle, and then I had these little flat shaker element flowers that you see here, and I put those down. And then I filled this with LED or UV resin, and I cured the UV resin under the light. And so that will keep not only the vinyl protected, but all those little flowers are now encapsulated in there. And I think this is a really good thing I think this is a really good thing for her to remember this year as she goes into 9th grade, is just to have faith over all of her fears, give everything over to the Lord, let Him handle all those things that are bigger than her. And, she can do this. She can do hard things, and she's such a wonderful teenager. So I love being her mama. So I made her that, but I made it a couple weeks ago in my live. And then she absolutely loves these. So I went ahead and broke the 9 things for 9 ninth grade rule. So this was extra, but I went ahead and got her some candy just to kind of sweeten the deal, and we'll put this in the bottom. So to wrap up this video, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take all of these items and we're going to put them in this basket, and we're gonna be doing that using a nice presentation. I have some like a clear, or I guess iridescent almost, this cellophane wrapping paper. So what I'm gonna do is I actually really just want a little bit of this. Okay, so this basket has holes, and if I put something in here, like this crinkle that I recently picked up at Hobby Lobby, it'll come out of the side holes and kind of go everywhere. So I thought it would be just neat to use the cellophane wrapping paper to kind of contain the crinkle. So we're gonna put some of this in here, just like that. It's probably way more than I need, to be honest with you, but so we've got that in there. And then we're gonna do the big rocks first, okay? So the big rocks analogy is you have a cup and you put in the big rocks and then the little rocks and then the sand and then the water, and it allows you to fit everything in a space that normally wouldn't be able to hold all of that. All right, so we got this here. Okay, we're gonna put those in there. That'll be the surprise. Here is the Awala. Here is the tropical dry shampoo. We've got a Tide pen. We've got the mascara. We can put the Bioma just like that. We have the Mighty Patches, can go kind of right there. We can put the safety pins here. And then the little power bank can go here. And I'm gonna take this keychain, I'm gonna just unhook this, throw the keychain on, and put it right back in that spot. So we're gonna put the keychain and the power bank there, and then our brush. So there we go. This is the 9 things for 9th grade. And yeah, I snuck some in there. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this up. I'm bringing in this cellophane, and I'm going to wrap this up, and then we're gonna put a bow on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the basket, and it's all wrapped. I just used a little bit of washi tape around the top here just to hold that all in place while I get this ribbon out. And now that I can see all of my ribbon, I've got it all organized on the ribbon holder. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so I'm also not an amazing bow maker, but we're gonna make it work. And then I'm just gonna make a simple bow. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut the tails. So I'm gonna use these scissors. Okay. We have all of that. And then I'm just gonna double check this back part here. I'm gonna get that kind of locked in. So this is what it looks like from the back and the side and the front. So there we have it. So this is the 9 things for 9th grade gift basket trend, but I decided to make this purposeful and practical and giving her things that I was going to buy her anyway. And I think this turned out great. So I'm very excited to give this to her. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a kick out of this and all of the things in here. If you have a teenager going into 9th grade, maybe this is helpful for you to come up with some ideas for your own teenager and give to them. And if you don't have a teenager, I'm hoping this inspired you to come up with an idea for a gift basket for someone in your future that you need to get a very thoughtful gift for. Don't forget to like the video, hype it, and let me know down in the comments. I'm not a TikTok trend kind of girl, but this one did intrigue me. So let me know what you think of this. And until I see you in the next Carter Craft, as always, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Hello, crafty friends. Thanks for making it to the end with me. I'm so glad you were here to share in the crafty fun. Here are a couple more videos that I think you might find inspiring. And don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.